are the answer when they so any rise where they go side from them. If go so dear, they say yes. You are all concerned for the narrative. So when they solve the proportion now, woman you don't come over cancel, carries now, you never succeed. And with the answer say they so what to the pass. When they write about number say WhatsApp number, 8 person they call and they say the number no. Now fix that. And even if it's when they don't dry up, the problem go up. The one way still come over water still over the skin, that don't go up. And that spaghetti now how much? 500, 375, 425. If I go for 375, go again. Now so the price. Now 600 francs. Ah, it's not easy. 1 cup of rice. Where you come over on top? If you pay me 100 francs, you go for 125. You go for 150. After you go for 175. More time 200. Who side will you go? Who side will you go country people? Now Munga. I say Munga 400. Munga when I 3. Now red means from them. Now see they come up. Red price for rice it go up. Red oil it don't go up. Even pepper, 1 pepper now 100 francs. If you like you take them, you like you not take them. Papa when you give energy for my body, you don't go to for up. Who side will you go for this country? And all this chop will work over here. After we pay tax. When we pay tax now, they take the money for tax, use that anyhow. After they say we pay again the tax. So population will come on, they when they suffer, some more time they will go transfer. And then leave country for this way, they want to manage the country because some people they know they don't keep money for government. Keep up, they enjoy with their family. Man when natural head, we go take money for outside, for take and go buy rice. 1 cup for 500 francs. He go take money for outside for go buy petrol for 828 francs countryman. Why will they suffer people though? But I will blame to the population because those where they will suffer with now those where they go inside part. And then go campaign, they go scan you with a 1 beer, give you a bed, go sardine for inside. Since when I know you see sardine, when I will still vote the very people there. When any occasion for Cameroon, they go so the jet price for 2 level up. When I go so they vote them. Why when I not going vote people that way to go bring now price them for 2 level down? Nice. Small time petrol could go for Cameroon for 2,000 for 1 liter. Small time. It declines small. It declines small. Before 2030, petrol 1 liter it could be 2,000 pounds. And you know, 1 motor it could be the 3,000. Because when I don't show them say money they come up 20 internet for me. So when I don't intershop. We don't have a side of Bonaveri where social media don't holler, try, and then we come again after we run that. Don't meet up this boy, they say they so it is soon. After he drink water, he died. Say them bring her 1 time, they can't put time for Quebec mortuary for site for Bonaveri. What? Now the boy that they say they so they don't put you in no 1 week for inside mortuary. After the boy say they so he come out. And the people were on a place where people that were mortuary attend and they ever use up. They come on 1 time for inside mortuary with a share. That one a chair one not use them. They can't use cash, you don't buy the rest. After we don't go, long lending. Chop soya for kwasa. And then carry the sauce way that they ever chop soya they put them. They put them in clothes, a work a cash, you don't back. For do not for mortuary for side for Quebec and inside Bonaviri. Very well, sour people. They don't come out they say tradition, they go for metal. They give you wine, you drink it. They give you a you drink it. They give you long wake up, you drink them. They give you long down, you drink it. After they say this so, me them cover you. See where they say we wake up worker. They turn up for this tradition not the work, they say go work. Tradition no work, they say go work. I say this is about here. They say camera no go exist. Camera be only for back side. Tradition no work. How when I cover man, they say na person we don't die when I say go wake up. So we must see them because LTM get all time for sure. I mean see them all. Then the boy now where they say they so we don't die wake up for side for Bonaviri. This one that thing we know we don't see them, and we don't start to see them for Cameroon. This kind of thing done for Nigeria. He say Anna where Anna before the show for Kumba. Sometimes Anna don't come find money for kwasa woman no. He say Anna they promise it. man me talk say so. Anna don't forget a number. Someone na say Anna don't promise you. So Anna don't promise you. You decide to come up for mortuary. Now if you don't bet. After we don't go start in Dengue for kwasa, chop you soya, go the one confirm and form up, and that tradition never work. Well, we know when they work out, when a woman in the house, go follow for outside. When I don't see her, I go talk to kwasa after the go talk say, you be sure say we did live and contribute. Now, then when they will argue say, so this boy, he never die. We say we get for go rich for family. No, we go now, go see whether it is so the family could confirm for site for Bonabiri. Oh yeah. So now time is when we don't talk back here for mortuary because for Cameroon will be Thomas. Now more like that. Let me say mortuary. And this boy when he talk that he be watch down that the boy this way he die come out. And we all man know you. But the boy that young boy now say back hospital for site for Bonabiri. For site where for people that they don't know, when you don't pass, we look opposite. One time, you be seen as a back and mortuary. On the hospital. Police yourself when you do this. He don't come to look and the spy. Now, continue is where the talk of this thing won't pass it. Same way they keep people of a mortuary for site for Sebek, no man we don't ever die and then they put them a mortuary come out. Say, if they say this boy still be alive, I will say with the make tradition. When I don't make tradition, I don't wake up. Eh? Well, this name for Anna, if you born a give name Anna, no say you don't carry my ballot bring for us. Well, sometimes Anna for commarriate when we talk. We need to call now and know when I say from name day to the cost confusion. They before call you, they say you number no day for phone. After again, they say you don't promise person. How you can only promise person when they for mortuary? And then the person I tell them, boy, I don't play you get from meet up. He no can see. Who say you be there before this man come out inside? You don't make 1 week. He not come out first day. He not come out second day. He not come out third day. He not come out number 4 day. He not come out number 5th day. Number 6 day not come out. Now 100 day we don't make 1 week. Huh? And sometimes when you want to look at it, you see sometimes now this kind of church them where they come for country. If it be in a film, because for Cameroon it be possible. Any man who do things like that, no man can know the time. Then when this man is talking about the boy this, all man know you. All man know this boy for Bonaberi. Huh? People they say no, we will Thomas, we'll go for C. Okay. Enter for mortuary. You want see no? Now watch not that. Now watch not that. He said no boy, no she don't on top of chain, no she don't if that chain again. Night is sleep, not sleep. He said no she don't for that chair again. That man she don't for my chair, and she don't again. Say no 1 day. Now tell me where we go for a compound and we has that. Now the boy that has that. Well, sister, how you small brother could die and then after he come out again go to play his life. He said this one not passy. Say this one not passy. Oh, sometimes they don't carry and tap on the because of Cameroon, any man who want to get money through the social media system. Yes. So when they talk about they say this one, they know we don't see him. Whether na how, but na say God go forever. Same way to the man who the ever digger. But for me, you yourself, you understand how the matter the past. Yes. Now church people and that where they come outside. I be telling you, know, any man they come say we must interplay. We must interplay. Can't people and don't enter. Come so this matter don't be now. Huh? So they are outside for Bonaberi. People they don't begin to die, they come out. No, I'm not going to go Bonaberi again, only in a meeting. No. If I want to go to Southwest, I just take a jet. Let Onana. Just come out the YAOUNDE, fly down for them there. When I finish now, I come back. Okay, leave a continent. We go ask them now. We could ask them for Manway. Now USSF pay a water for mortuary. That means a wash night for mortuary. Continent. This boy do all for inside mortuary. What's that you be? Talk me here. Not true. Me here.
The day I did sleep for night. Yesterday morning, around that time for breaking money, sir. Around, in fact, I don't know say they are because now I sleep. from Chedi, they live from Makono, yes. Because I'm not allowed to see them.
Okay.
But the people down here, as we see, I don't move on now and yes. Now, so, I sleep. I did have to sleep, I did my dish, I cover all my body. Now, so I think I don't hear how we share the job. I will change the job and go. E1. I drink. Touch. As you do a phone, as they do a phone, you put touch. You point touch for that in the face. I see how we be afraid. He tell me say, because for you they call me Busu. Call me Busu. I say yes. You see, he tells the man don't talk for you. I say yes, don't talk. See, the man, he come inside. I say ha, he say no. The man will be under inside water or Bellevue. I no believe it. Doctor now be the calm. Doctor calm now. The man will keep that body there. Just meet the doctor. They come together. When the doctor reach from that body, and the doctor tells him no. As he point touch, as a man will keep that body there. He point touch for that periphery face. The doctor just tells him no. The cops, he gave the certificate where the periphery don't die. Now for this, they ask me this, you sure he don't talk, as he don't talk. For that take care, cash should be big. So the whole thing we don't pass, I don't know.
Okay, but that way you talk for you, so you talk for you.
He don't talk for me.
That way you, but that first time we carry that chair, so yes. Go there, you talk, so you talk.
He don't talk.
Okay, so as you see that body not talk for you.
He don't talk for me.
Okay.
And when I wait for a phone, when I hear voice, and
for me,
you
hear the for up.
Yes.
But you don't see how we talk. They hear voice.
I hear voice.
Say and chuma pro me. Okay. Thank
you. Okay. We will get for you till with that man the top, but no problem. So, leave and countryman. Leave am. Man go do her for this Cameroon. Small time we get for gold. They will tell you say some place they were for Kenya, where they make some clothes way na iron. We make trousers with na iron we show. So that when man can go can jump first. So now we go come back again for Sebek for us woman. When I the look out the mortuary and I the big man for inside that side for mortuary. He says that he get talk for talk. Madam, how you manage no say this whole person inside mortuary for Sebek hospital for play where you be big man. How he manage come out and how you manage here say this whole person don't die come out for that side. When I hear thing where big man for mortuary for Sebek hospital go talk. Oh yeah.
Sebek hospital mortuary.
Yeah.
Yes. My brother, it's a miraculous thing. That's some very terrible thing we will never ever see. I don't be from my house yesterday by 4:30. Then call me. My mutual attendant called me saying that some pikin comes to be enter from Bellevue for last week Sunday. He did for front door. I felt Inora. After, so another person called me about 2 minutes later. Say they still say comes to the front door. Who's are you there? I said okay, I come and take me to drive can start. I don't come out. I want come population there for Sebek. Police, you don't be. So I enter, I asked my mutual attendant, I said, who's are the cops there? One can cop, she don't go on touch chair. Then my mutual attendant, they panic. So I open my office, I take the paper where they use and register the cops 1 week ago. I move the mommy number for them. I call the mommy, I tell you, I just tell you, say some problem there, may he come. The mommy come. And me and the mommy will come. I asked the mommy, so you recognize this person? He said, yes, I'm a pikin. I tell you, say, now the thing that way it don't happen. So, fortunately,
the boy only talk for you, answer. The boy not can point to say, hey, he remember say they bring the face for Sunday, no. Now for the way he can call alarm, all man come out, all the people where they work with mutual, so they come out now. They say, hey, the boy don't die. One of the mutual I don't know, mutual wait you. Go check where they be position the boy on Sunday. The boy no day. I said people that had that cut, all man start fear. Now the boy that is for them on top that chair, 17-year-old boy, get them as una the worker so muna be
I say my sister tell them because their sister dem dey say they don't clean na toto and then put am for number 3 phone wey dey scratch minute. Yes, we don't see am. And none na first man. When you go side for Bonaberi, they say man don't chop okra. I go one talk now. They go say this man don't talk again. When you go Bonaberi, you say for Bonasama. Before you want go reach for rye, you know you reach for Bikoko again. Woman in the front of bar, they say they dey hold a meeting. And they become for Shamoni time can she done. Now their own office. When you come by one shot, other one spy, cast a little grandfather in the house, says Shamoni time man over get something will enter mobile. If you get something, if you drop on me, man, take something more. When you drop, instead of go buy chop, the internet counter. I know the under this forever knowledge and sorrow. Wait, don't make up. All these guys, all they don't run the massa, and then they come for sideway peace day. Other one, then they way the master and come, they don't miss belly, and then kill them for neck. Where they be now, na stand by. When at the talk say me we face me Cameroon a day for peace because moto na peace war for the land no man no one year. Now people in this don't start to die, then they come out. Small time they go get their own association because be for Cameroon way man the 3rd year association. So take some association for thing where people they don't like it exist. And the good people for Cameroon they know how it is. Yes, so association they know where they exist. And the top the other they say so one day for time for kill medicine. And all man knows how where they go shoot up. When man they die come out. So one na the one where man will disappear. So one na the same the one where you nothing more money and for your brother where he go with them for before. You nothing more money and for mommy where a born you mommy they suffer. If they chop njama where or another inside. But you they push money na push. Any weekend people they never had called slaughter fowl, slaughter cow, slow fowl. All that money na useless money because you go die liver and different man go enjoy. So me wanna look out. When man want carry you go with them for some meeting, look up. And when person want tell you say this one will go. If water not there for village, you must have been soon not try because it go bad. Now tell you we don't go now. They say this boy be there for kwasa. Say we there for kwasa. For Makombi for kwasa, Mr. Bob. Yes, when you not want me for Bonaberi, they go call them for kwasa. I don't know why. Now tell me where to remind a come on they say I'm gonna go here because I never see I'm gonna be more to talk up. Now kwasa this way na for way I go to one time. I ask them for system. Say there's some boy don't we can make love and some girl where they talk to this they for the bank they say they so them to the years so. Ha! You see some church guy. It she know go inside snack. Now cigar you want see am now say beg that. When LTM want to talk show and fine. Now in that. Where to man come on Yaounde, we say I'm a ghost here. We will go for hospital. Now enter for hospital this. For those who don't know, opposite kwasa, you shoot opposite cross road. Yes. Now kwasa that. Now kwasa that. You cross now, and then you enter. No mind this. No mind this. No nasty bad this. Now in this. Now your way the boy. They go for motor. They say no. Why they shoot the mama? Wait till they sleep for inside play with the cool. He come out choke. He come out you choke one time. Okay. We don't have a time for Limbe. Yes. This one now just office for Limbe one. Now in that, when you read that, see the condition, even the signboard, you know the show again fine. Greenland yellow when we get for the state of the country because the peace work for the land. Now in that way, it don't be rot. Now office for job. Now office for job for Limbe one. You know they say Nangata. And then you say na prison. When I want to transform the journey being a prisoner, see the kind of building. See the kind of building. And now you will job for Limbe one they can't walk. My office that. See the way they look up, look the wall. For buy pen na how much? For buy pen for pen this wall na how much? And for pen the door, for plaster up, plaster up. Look up. Job for the can't work for this kind of place? Are they ask for Cameroon? This one no matter for the people. This one no matter for all we for country. Look the way office for Joe a day. They say that's all. One man they give office for Joe. Who's me for them the Joe? After giving your house, you should have for day. Now I'm going to pay life. And then for office. Now I'm going to pay a life. Mr. Joe, you say you never buy cement for come make this thing buy pen with all the advantage where when I get time like a Joe. When I see when I send me the food budget, me Cameroon government food budget for can't fix it. And when Joe you say you get advantage from Meta, although they say Cameroon penalty for Cameroon, we don't talk say me man no fix thing way concern governor. Yes, say the only government we want and government we don't deny. No, I say this Joe. We get to the heart and push Samantha away for free, arrange the office, fine. But now say the thing you say so, if you want arrange them, after the way you say so, monsieur le sous-préfet de l'Imbe 1, tu as appelé à se présenter à la sède de Yaoundé parce que vous n'avez pas droit de mettre la peinture. Il est quand même de votre amour. You see, so Dieu will continue to come here. The office is leak and they see the wall. See, if minister won't come here, can't leave. Maybe go dirty minister. Maybe go dirty breadwinner. When I get something where maintenance not be me person with inside me the maintenance. When I give that, when I vote that law, so that me will not get this kind of offices again for inside country. Correct. Live and country. Yes, we enter now. We will go now for side for West Region where the commandant for that side or the big man or the eye for West Region now our Fonka Augustine number 1 governor for inside the country because now we he know they sleep he they work. This na Kobe Dennis 14 Christophe na Inis now we win I don't know what for but very cash double is Mumbanga. Government for Cameroon say so this now we be Joe for Bonaberi that means for the other four we don't want fine. So they decide for Ali Galong say this one could be SJ. That means say prefer the side from Miffy. Now oh Mr. Christophe Coffee, this man not trouble, don't forget the number. Mr. Coffee, now this where the top. Now the man is those for Bonabelli they cry. Say they don't come out the only deal way don't can change. Bonabelli. In those days for Bonabelli he doesn't work and report. In no time for Bonabelli, you don't make Okada for 9 for go for your house. To people in the white. Same way Cameroon government and Lona. If you push this man for Bonabelli, all things will change. All things will change. Take power. And they command you now. Yes, salute all man after you go push their woman. Because any place from Monday, a woman, it will push you for big trauma. Yes. Oh, this one to man. Now, my mommy, our phone guy goes. I don't talk say I can forgive this man Musanga because one of the midnight accident for Okada, this man they come out, the governor, go look up. Anything for West Region, ain't no they ever send now person me go for a chance. Now he says they go. So when man they work fine work, me we appreciate them. Correct. Me we appreciate them. How the built up for this so this man he don't work fine before President Paul Biya send the NGO community for side for West Region. And he get advice from here from Mr. Fofi Christophe. Yes, Mr. Christophe, salute your big man. My big man that. Come in cafe. Salute your woman, give peace. Correct. If I say come back to that place. I like to see this man time way. Yes. Kiss your woman face. And time the woman say so you know today, sometime today you never be SDO. Correct, take power. Oh, Mr. Poppy. Be my man. Now so, follow the road for back and not the now na car them big motors with the road inside. Correct. I tell you take power. I demand this. Mr. Christophe. Now they don't call him Mr. again. You prefer. Oh, SDO. Correct. Oh, they talk for this and say anything way you do and do and fine because God is here. God is here, no. So come go for side for Miffy. And the population of Miffy, when I get for respect this countryman, because the man went in the studio, he didn't have a work. I need to bring peace for side for Miffy. This Mr. Fofi Christophe, when I was sitting over there for Miffy. Yes. I agree when I'm only 2 weeks. When I was sitting with him and go come out for Miffy, all man could shine eye. We know how this man will work. If he keep a whole Bonaberi, calm, clean Bonaberi, catch all Banga people away with this motor for side for Mabanda, catch up for Ganga. Government know this people, don't see him. So he said, Miffy could be in a place for go clean them. So anyhow we did, my God. So with the time, President Paul Biya for send this man for that side. So now, live and control. We go should not now quiet. We yet to Governor, number 1 for side for West Region, our Fonka Augustine. He could talk for Mr. Fofi Christophe. When I hear talk. I get for
He should continue in the light of his predecessor to galvanize the forces of law and order, as well as all the living forces in the division to ensure the security of people as well as their properties. The economic operators are there. It is for him to galvanize them and to put them together so that they can create more avenues where employment can see the light of day for the youth.
I just say, oh man, you don't find a chain now, a shidon, because now you don't rest. Now you get to talk now. I know say when I get when I lawyers. We one man time come before program after a lawyer could defend me. But this time around another day again so. If I say me I go talk for one before we want start the calling. When you know say you know go respecting way the program need them. Not call you the program, because if you call you make mistake, Mr. Self, I'm a make mistake for you. If you know say you go call where you know go respect the laws and for this program, you call you make mistake because you strong head. Mr. Self, I go make mistake too for you, and then we will know now say mistake plus mistake. If he make thing way, if he make them, yes, because of people don't know. When you talk about now say no do this one, you be doing at the thing where you don't tell me no do it. So I will wait when I know, because we don't sharpen them up. And they find to as we don't chop the okra to do we move this slice. Anyone will slice, he touch you, that means he don't touch him. So that me the lawyer now he appear for the court, and then we hear talk we will talk. So when we tell we say this, so the mayor for Tico Council, Chief they say Chief Mr. Peter say they do fine work for side for Motengene. He says to them they don't shine. Yes, we on now say we get for Siam before we believe. Chief Mr. So we get for Siam before we believe. We know the talk to him, we never see him. Hello? Hello? Voila. We salute all man for Bangem, because those who they come up for Bangem now people and with themselves that they reason fine, and those for side from Cambe. As some man be talking this so this TV don't turn on cover TV. We don't know say there's no cover people that are people that way. The reason with people that for side for Combo. So we salute all the population for side for Combo. Yes, with this great all man for side for Oko. Hello? Hello? They don't understand. Say if they don't follow the system, no way. Hello? We salute all man for Sabongida, we greet all man with the follow we for side for Minji, and we salute all man for side for Banganti, we salute all man for Fumbot. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, who they call the person there for side?
I just found the call for Boya.
Yes, how about Boya today?
Oh, Boya, they're fine.
Yes, what you got for Terry?
I did want to tell you, I say that boy that you go so now for learn young boy then less and make them only find any money because shows and everyone find a money for job and fast.
Okay.
Me young boy then take time, me the work money, learn work, small.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Anyway, we do. Another caller again for the meetup. 650608498. Hello? Yes, we take someone. Hello? Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Are they? Who the fellow outside the
man. Buza.
Yes, I hear you. Buzaman for cycle mobility. Talk.
I want to know that power of petrol in the island.
Yes.
I said, Cameroon government, all they need petrol in them, all they petrol in them, think they will come, no, they claim too.
Buzaman.
Janamoko.
So they say when I serve a money day for Cameroon, now why the president they up. We take another person again. Hello, countryman. Hello? 650-608498. 650-608498. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning.
Who do you call the person then which part for country?
The person.
We don't talk so much when I respect. I know. We talked this thing last week. Say, no see person the work as so you chase it sometime if you understand what the way the world is day. Let us see. I won't confirm.
Good morning, General.
Yes, my woman don't call first lady for inside the program. Yeah, on them they call and say we call for site.
Alinami Solange Mary, I come for Bonaberi.
Yes, we just said for Bonaberi. One woman fall in love with man picking, the next day in a mortuary.
I want to talk about that man where
Yes, talk on.
Talk me people and license for girls. Sometimes girls and be breastfeed where they go snap, but she don't 5 francs for skin, they look man we go buy them peer. That girl with that man come on go sleep with you for that kwasa so. We don't know whether you are balok or a good local. And I saw plenty man picking them too, they will go climb for the gate. So they carry the balok. With the praise when you first go delegate the picking for church before any other thing. Who they pray for our picking them all. Because the outside now will see them, so we don't know whether we stay there for Nigeria or we stay again for Cameroon.
Okay. Asha, thank you. So we take this other one again. It must be for the reason because it's not the person with the reason. Let me say MOKO slice. Hello? Hello? Yeah, hello. Yeah, who do you call the person?
My name is Ale.
Yes, Ale is the cover. Talk quick. We don't get time for loss here.
I call her for Lille.
Yes. What you got for talk?
I want to talk about that thing control. Maybe how to control the high school in offline. Because I common talk in the sofa. When the doctor come on and they say, we they try to do voter card because that's time to voter card is a situation.
Okay. Thank you, continue for Limbe. Yeah, we take this other one. They insist so waste more time. You want to give? You could start the doing a different total thing. Yes. 650-608498. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
What is now who they call the person?
Now you are there for Yaounde.
Yeah, Yaounde don't na name for town, not na name of quarter. Yeah, Mindong, yes. We hear you.
I want to about that boy who hit that also.
Yes. If you been our boyfriend?
No, I beg. The first, I've been a young boy and then maybe they love and then they get betrayed. He goes to go to water. Because he one time I come and say and Chuma promise. The aunt promised and then I don't go die. my place. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Yeah, morning, General MOKO.
Who they call?
Yeah, I call him from Mudongo and I call.
Okay. We hear you.
Yeah, General MOKO, I body for Bonaveri, General MOKO.
You be there?
I body for Bonaveri, I body to the move up on Amon, because I body for British one of Ronald, I body then. Yes. How about that? That is Kumako, the insurance talk shop, and all woman there, they put it in.
Another way we know we go chop soya again for the very thing.
General MOKO, every now and then I get out after they will go out there, but God, I will pick order.
Where this countryman don't kill me today? Hello? Hello? Yes. We salute all man for side for Bankumo. We salute all man for Bumebe. We salute those who did for side for ADR. Hello? We get those who did for side for Cleveland. We salute all man for side for place where they for them. Now for Bankum, we salute to the fund for side for Baba One. We know they miss the program for side. We salute all man from top. We salute Mr. Emmanuel for side from top. USSF. He did for Foley Television and your family. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, tell me power back.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, who did it?
Planning Pagan is artisan there.
Yes, how much is on there?
Okay, I'm not told for that man way to that too.
Yes, Naina.
Now going there for mutually again on a house.
No, you never mutually, you don't make instant.
No, you don't come out to play. Only now you don't come like you don't now they don't go put enough for more again on a house.
They don't believe you again, but inside that mutually, no?
Okay.
Well, you know. Okay.
Yeah, no, General MOKO.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, General MOKO.
Yes, now who they call?
For me, Pastor Ngala, I call for Second Gebal.
Oh, Pastor Ngala, my brother. You don't forget me. You see, I'm that side, there's also been now. Yes. What you going to tell me, Pastor Ngala?
Yes, I want to talk about that young man with that so. Yes. Go come for bar. I want to talk to this way, this way, don't spoil. I'm looking for that very bar with the dance for. I want to know whether they get them, whether the dance for dinner that people want.
Don't make a memo of you.
What we need for just put our heart and trust God there because the world don't spoil. How much we got anyone at the top?
Pastor Ngala, why would I have international to set aside for Canada to pray for all these people?
When you organize the local camp, they run. When they repeat for village and then they organize the camp, they run.
Okay, then when the only time a single time them they carry Bible come and then when a pastor will receive the interchurch.
Sometimes things the eyes on and whether they Torina went that time we don't know.
Hey! 650608498. We still get the 10 minutes for come over this program. You say the time for man your name for this Yangi house. If not so, let me say you don't make mistake. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hello,
now continue this.
That discussion the different,
but we do one. God don't give them. We do not find something. We do one.
Yes. The only one who is in family Cameroon, so we like Cameroon. Okay, we don't see suffer so. They have to change it. No salary is there.
No, but the high salary. High salary for when I work from Wamna. Wamna don't give us nothing.
No, don't give us it. We don't give us it. No,
I know so.
The cheap that get money tax a business. That's this other. That is public council for council.
Now come. I said
yes. This card business man. Correct my brother.
No, I mean we get for Bologna inside Shang or inside farm for very Ondo. We know the way say salary come because salary now they add salary for 25 francs and then they add price for rice for 500 francs. That 25 francs again. Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who is the president of which part of the country?
My name is actually from Mutangene.
Yes, from Mutangene. I have a Mutangene today, so no one that come up to the other side.
No, I price of petrol, you worry.
Okay, price of petrol. For that side, how much? I use it when I use my Zaza. Ah, they don't look at me.
Yes.
Okay, that means those were the
Don't tell a government say when they do them prepare for the youth, they're going to use the camp for them. As they want you go kill themselves.
No, no, my government, and me and you with government. No, no, when you talking about my government, that means that me I get government.
Now when you talk for government,
no, go see the mayor for now them the government talk for you say we talk for government. You say now the mayor bring the yellow, you don't see people here bring the yellow. Hello?
yeah, good morning, sir, MOKO.
How do you know, countryman?
Now me from Manfe.
Oh, Mr. Eke, when I for to man for side for Manfe, I hear say when I be house road, they don't have on a road, and then they road the keepers even say.
I told you my soul. I said,
Yes.
that man who saw, he go enjoy camera, why is that inside when I'm outside?
They go in, like the inside, like them are outside.
If I go winner, when I was saying Abayangi, they come out there with that man Abayangi.
Don't they give me the money, no.
And I saw it. I said, you want me to come right on this to 150. Petrol for this for 3,000 or MOKO.
Now we do small time mean I will carry water and then we transform am for petrol, make people they buy.
Once a man go well, I go want me to one day you come and fake out to me for now.
Come on, hey. Hello? Yes. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, good morning, madam.
Good morning, Bernadette.
Bernadette, the corner of which place for country?
I'm from Duala in Bonaberi.
Yes, Bonaberi. Hey, Bonaberi. That is your voice, you know. Come on for Bonaberi, no stay for Bonaberi, eh? Come out one time, you don't depend inside because Bonaberi don't turn up on time. Man, the guy come out. What you going to tell me?
I'm calling because when I say that everything has gone up to our city like that, we are not going to die of hunger.
Yes. So I said, when the people up, your papa will take money for us for the research, your money for buy chop the market. You know they will win again. Hello? 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 When you salute now, when they come and say name from Isaac in the wash we for site for Bamida, I will salute too. Person when they come and say, oh, I could die. You say when a Tory man for site for Bamida, you know they miss him. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, huh?
Good morning. I'm your family. I said,
I said this woman now Anna again.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, okay.
No, 5 minutes in the outside. Yes, we hear you. I went on a so.
Oh, that's for minister. Say, I don't money for people. I don't for people. They don't go for retirement too.
We know the year demand fine.
Okay.
We know the year demand fine. I know the year whether they talk and say they call for Bali or they call for Yaounde. Because you not say for Cameroon, if they call you say that for one man country, eh?
No, for Bali Road.
Okay, they call for Bali Road. Oh, Nadina call me. I say, how about Bali, no?
No, I'm fine today.
Well, my brother, you don't stay where I never hear your voice again.
Yes. I did talk for minister. So when you want money for people, they make it out of people they don't go for retirement.
Oh, yes. So, yeah, send me the government. You want add money, salary, add them plenty so that those way if they work for them, they will pay them. Because you be add money for some people, then they get company. They know they pay worker. Now, so that man they try for talk. Okay. Yes. Yes. You my man for body. Oh, hello? Hello? Good morning, you sleep? Now that people them they don't start to come. Hello?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. We are coming from Sinavillage. We come to the village. Come on here, Sinavillage. This is going on, Mr. Shebenat.
Mr. Shebenat, you the people say?
From Sinavillage.
Okay, Sinavillage, then I lost a new subdivision.
Yes, now for that.
Yeah, I say, countryman.
Yeah.
So information the internet say they don't kidnap people them for side from tomorrow. You wait there for Sina, and you get for Terry. Now true or not?
Yeah. And yes, so but I don't get the right information. What are the very information on you?
So how they go in there? How they go kidnap people and where they meet people them again? I go tell you no go that's for sinner.
No, the toast say, oh, you want greetings. They be on my way there for General MOKO. We the talk good news away at the year at the same.
Okay.
Yes.
So salute for sinner.
Yes.
Yeah, we salute to the fund for side for tomorrow. We salute the fund for that side for stop, and we salute the fund for that side for the other side here. The fund for that side for St. Village, and we salute the fund too for side for New. Yes, we salute the fund for Ngarum and the fund for that side for Ntundi. Hello? No, when you do for corner television, I just keep you aside. When I no one respect a simple instruction. Hello?
Good morning, General.
Yeah, the man this way they raising. Yes, good morning, sir.
Yeah, now for me for Babuza.
Yeah, Mr. For me for Babuza.
Yeah, pa.
How about that, sir, no?
Oh, we thank God too.
Yeah. Now for some on the call we did the pass the one.
Okay.
Never tell you now for me for Babuza.
Which when one time I say government really get for see situation for poor people there for Cameroon because even which way happen for that young man for Luala. Even with their poverty, I don't sure say he or they go involve himself for some guys in them. If government they see how they add even price for petrol. If when they make us so we will discover so how we go manage survive. We go be put they put go out for some guys where we go reach for the kind level.
Thank you as countryman.
Thank you, sir.
All man for side for Babuza. Try for NWE for go for park. Where they load motor them for go for side from Kambe. Yes, that park where they load motor for go from Kambe. Say some funny back. They wait there for that park. With that fun, fun for Dumbu, you don't fun for Dumbu. Don't forget it back. When Ghana must go back, with all the things for palace. We fun to use them. It for inside that back. So tell that park boy then when they load motor go from Kambe, we they send that back from Kambe one time. Me. Thank you for the content for me. Hello. Hello. Okay. This one will be the last caller because it is sure to say yes, time knowledge. Yes. Last person. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. You still like that?
Yes. You don't come up on a day or you still there? You wanna die. Hello? Not see person the worker so you just say you Francois Liba. Hey, do my man on do my Monday. No, do my Monday and I go conclude the program. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Yes, now person will be tell me say this.
Yeah.
Gabon.
Yeah, I come from Gabon, my name is Sudan.
Well, my Sudan.
Yeah, the one about that boy we died too. That boy the mechanic go to church. You go come back and like go and give and to go church. Okay. The guy go to church.
Ah. They don't see the guy go to church. They don't believe in mutual that. Hello?
Hello.
How did not come back?
Oh, fine. I call for the combat. Yes, I want to talk about what our mayor is also. You know what fire? Yes, and we pray that maybe the next coming mayor. Yes.
We know the make campaign here. You don't make fine. You don't make a witty. I want to say that they talk about mayor for here today. Yeah. They like and the body. They like and we be for this so they can't die on for the nawati. When they work something, you need to meet people that they see. You they talk for more. This one na television, not na radio. Countryman. Yeah, you be able to talk so many that they show we think we don't work. We not deny. Yes, if it be we don't work, but it needs to be LTM show and make people that see them. Yes. So, Mr. Francois, the program not finish. Me man not call again. You want call me? You call me when the program not finish. When you don't finish, we'll talk. So we will go for one time. Yes. When I look my hand, when I don't see her, when you want video, anything where you know say, to the man go sure. Me you hold your Android phone na phone. When you hold and say that means you don't hold and fine. When you hold and say you make video. Video anything you send them for we for that number we na see so. Then we will talk again. We You don't really send them for we will take them and then put them for machine. Then grind them after we put water, we boil them before people can chop. Hold your only if hold your phone always so for make video, you send them for we. You don't you know? Yes, make your whole phone a day so. We hold and so na size for camera and na size for television. Because for camera we use na flat screen television. So your phone get for be too flat, that way you want make video. So with this salute now they can say Dr. Maji Tanko, we there for that side for St. Cantes. Yes, with the salute and his family. Say even anyhow we do. If you give some person title, carry today we don't know. Oh, Tanko will stand now the verse say how you brother you make this kind of thing, but no. No, say we don't. We get for talk and meet people the year. So with the time to the fund for NJANGI, we watch the program now, and with the time the fund for Chup Village, we now president for Domafo, that means say for Donga Mantum Funds Union for site for Northwest, and now secretary for Wimbum Funds Union for inside that site for Donga Mantum Division. We salute all man. Where they watch the program for site for Mr. J, we not forget to the survey. That means a commandant for brigade for site for Mr. J. It watch the program and it do firework for site for Mr. J. We salute to Sister Mbong, where they make a better pepper soup and it sell people and better white memo. We salute to Tanto the Apple. It watch the program for that site for Mr. J. We salute all the park boy for Mr. J. We salute all the Okada people for Mr. J. We don't forget those for Dumbo. Let Mr. Enosa for side for Dumbo. We salute Mr. Sandokong. We there for Dumbo too, and then we salute the chief for Health Center for Dumbo, chief doctor. We salute all man for side for place where they call him now for Lassen Village. We salute all man from Benon for side phone call. We salute Asha people them there, Mr. Chame we there for that side for Asha. We salute to Mr. Shegolwin alias Colonel ide for side phone call. He watch the program. We salute Mr. Jobe Savastin for side for Bamti. We greet all man for that side for Jotin, and those who go for that side for me. We salute all man for side for Din. We don't forget Shea Adamu we na picking for side for Din. You know the miss to the program. We salute Shea Roger, we there for that side for 11. You know, they miss the program. We salute to Prad Doctor from Biame. We there for Carifo Sose. We salute all man for side for Biabasi. Tanto Tada. We salute to Lambert with a manager. Yes, we want to see all time for these 2 years. So we thank Mr. Francois as Ido. Try we make a me all thing Iwaka. For this program today, we return to Mr. Leben. I will be there for back camera, me for front camera, and for back microphone. They call me General MOKO, the only general for country with the worker. Now we broom protect them, sweep all thing dirty way there for Cameroon. Send them for Watami, Cameroon, in all the cement. Me in the shine and with the salute to the bodyguard. The bodyguard for Prime Minister. Was bodyguard for Prime Minister office. Where the was we are picking for side for Oko. We salute to Mr. Ajudang. Yeah, KJ Paul. We there for the BLM. It was the program. We salute all man for that side. So anyhow we do. We go now go rest because tomorrow na number 4 day talk a day and na tomorrow we could open the Kenja. We see color we the inside. All the fan club for that side for Japoma and for Karabasi from Mami Miriam we salute all man for that side. Nke photo we not forget and Mr. Nestor Mopao we there for Kilometer. We don't go. Bye bye.
Mesdames et messieurs, chers téléspectateurs, salut. Je suis votre tradithérapeute, l'expert chercheur en plantes naturelles, Dr Beka. J'ai fait cette émission après 7 mois d'absence. J'ai fait cette émission après 7 mois d'éloignement de mes patients, après 7 mois de recherche, de beaucoup de récoltes, de beaucoup d'études, de beaucoup d'écoles dans 3 différents pays. J'ai encore appris. J'aimerais partager avec vous. 2024 annonce très violent. Pourquoi? Parce que je viens avec beaucoup de découvertes et j'ai beaucoup à vous dire. Ne ratez surtout aucune de mes émissions Minute Santé parce que vous allez être surpris de tout ce que je vais vous dire. On a beaucoup appris. Voilà pourquoi j'ai pensé que bon, c'est vrai, beaucoup disent que je suis fort, mais je me suis dit que si je m'associe à quelqu'un d'autre, on peut être plus fort. Et désormais, donc, nous avons le bouclier sanitaire. Dr Beka, Dr Simo, désormais font 1. Retrouvons-nous juste après la transition. Salut à tous, je suis Dr Beka.
Salut, ici le Dr Simo de la clinique traditionnelle Nature Bio.
Parce qu'ils croient en la synergie des savoirs pour bâtir une meilleure Afrique.
L'objectif 2023, 2024, 2025, c'est de sauver l'Afrique.
Parce que le Dr Beka, en plus du génie, est un grand rassembleur. Parce que Brillant Camden est pour la promotion des jeunes talents et la valorisation de l'innovation, le Dr Beka est de retour avec un concept nouveau, une joint venture dans le monde de la santé.
Nous trouvons des solutions pour les traitements et non les calmants. Voilà pourquoi il dit qu'il était seul très fort, mais ensemble nous sommes encore plus forts.
C'est une première dans la médecine naturelle. Le brillantissime Dr Beka et l'intrépide Dr Simo se mettent ensemble, mutualisent leurs efforts, conjuguent leur efficacité pour initier le bouclier sanitaire contre l'infertilité. Désormais, les cliniques Beka et Simo signent sous la même nomenclature de clinique Beka.
Je suis le Dr Simo, expert chercheur de la clinique traditionnelle Beka.
Je suis Dr Beka de la clinique traditionnelle Beka.
Le grand bouclier sanitaire by Beka et Simo est une innovation forte pour lutter contre la montée fulgurante des problèmes d'infertilité dans les familles. Les femmes qui se lamentent, les hommes qui sont tristes, les couples, les familles qui sont en lambeaux par manque d'enfants. C'est désormais la fin grâce au bouclier sanitaire by Beka et Simo. Fini les problèmes de myome, de kyste, de trompe bouchée, de fibrome, de glaire. Fini les problèmes de sperme. Désormais, protégez votre fertilité et luttez contre l'infertilité grâce au bouclier sanitaire que forment les cliniques Beka et Simo qui signent désormais sous la même nomenclature de clinique Beka. Seul, on va vite. Ensemble, on va très loin.
Le bouclier sanitaire, c'est un nouveau concept, Dr Beka, Dr Simo. Vous savez, c'est pas évident de gérer le monde entier. J'avais dit dans l'une de mes émissions, même si je n'ai que les patients de Douala, je ne peux pas m'en sortir seul. Je suis obligé de former beaucoup de personnes qui feront comme moi, qui vont suivre mes pas, et ensemble on mettra la main pour sauver la médecine africaine des mains de ceux-là. Aujourd'hui, quand je regarde la télé, je vois Dr Gadema, je suis fier de moi, c'est mon produit. Je vois Dr Vladimir, Dr Hippolyte, Dr Phobas, Dr Simo, Dr Kwete, ils sont tellement nombreux là dehors qui sont mes produits de clinique Beka et je suis fier de moi. J'ai fait aimer ce métier à plus de 300 docteurs africains. Dans une transition au Gabon, vous allez voir Dr Simo du Gabon qui a de l'enfant en espagnol.
Ton héritage, c'est la santé.
Bonjour la famille, bonjour Dr Simo de